Your judge is Mr. Sorry, kayo ko din masabi ko. Charlene Hafil.
Hi, good evening, Ms. Rock.
Good evening, sir.
How are you feeling tonight?
Pardon, sir?
How are you feeling tonight?
Well, I'm feeling very grateful and I feel like this moment is such a great opportunity for me.
Okay, so here's the question. In what ways does Binibining Lapu-Lapu highlight the city's culture and tradition? Again, in what ways does Binibining Lapu-Lapu highlights the city's culture and tradition?
Binibining Lapu-Lapu happens because it highlights us female in our community because we have a purpose and that purpose we carry with us our